Keela now integrates with Zapier, allowing you to connect and funnel data from over 5,000 applications right into your Keela account. Follow along with this video to watch how you can integrate Zapier and create your first Zap workflows. Let's get started. To integrate your Zapier account with Keela, let's start by going into your organization settings. From here, you can go into our Integrations tab. Once you see the Zapier integration, we're going to click Go to Zapier. Now I'm going to sign in with my Zapier account information. Now that I've logged into Zapier, I can click the Accept Invite and Build a Zap button. Now, Keela is connected to your Zapier account and you can start building your Zap workflows. Let's create a Zap here. By clicking the Create Zap event, you're going to be prompted to indicate a trigger. A trigger is the starting point of your workflow. This is where you're going to tell the Zap which external platform or app you want to pull information from in order to send into Keela. You will then need to choose an event that's going to occur within that platform, which is going to start that workflow to get moving. For example, if I wanted to create a contact in Keela when somebody fills out a certain form in Typeform, which is an external app, I would choose Typeform as my app. Now that I've chosen my platform, I'm prompted to choose the event, which is going to trigger the information to flow into Keela. For this specific example, I'm going to choose a form entry. And now we can click Continue. In order to move forward, I'm now going to have to log into that external app. Now that we've connected our Typeform account with the Zapier integration, we're going to proceed with creating the event, which is going to trigger the information to flow into Keela. I'm going to choose the Zapier integration form. Now we'll proceed by testing that trigger. Perfect. So now we can see how the data is going to flow in. I'm going to press Continue and we can proceed with setting up an action. Actions are what you want to occur after a trigger event happens. For example, if the trigger event is a response to a specific form, the actions after that trigger would be to send that information from the form to Keela. So the first step of the action is going to prompt us to choose the app or the platform that we want to send this information to. We're going to select Keela. Once I've selected Keela, I'm going to choose the trigger and the event that's going to happen as a result of that trigger. In this case, I want to create an individual contact profile. Once I click Continue, I'm going to be prompted to sign into my Keela account. Here, I'm going to select the region where my organization is located. My test account is set up in the US. Then I'll click Yes, Continue. Here, I'll be able to select my organization name. Once I've done this, I've successfully connected Zapier to my Keela account. And I can proceed with setting up my action. Now we can map the fields between the two platforms. You'll be provided with information about the integrated platform that you're looking to pull information from. So in this case, I'm mapping the Typeform email to Keela's primary email field. I've indicated these specific fields. I would like the primary email, first name and last name, and I've also opted these contacts in for email communications. The last step here is to continue. You'll have the ability to test your Zap to make sure that everything's functioning as expected, and then you'll be able to publish the Zap. This is going to turn on that connection between Keela and your integrated platform. Now let's take a look at how this functions in Keela. Now here in my Keela account, I can see that test that we pushed through. And if I click on that contact, I'll be able to see that this contact came in via Zapier. Now, Any future form response is going to elicit a contact here in Keela. As you can see, this is a great time-saving tool, and it's really going to help boost the efficiency of your organization, allowing thousands of pieces of data to flow into your Keela account from external platforms.